The decision of this court is that the terms woman and sex in the Equality Act 2010 refer to a biological woman and biological sex.
A pivotal moment in a landmark case. Joy and relief from campaigners in Edinburgh. And outside the Supreme Court in London too. They've won their battle over the legal definition of what a woman is.
So the Supreme Court has ruled that your sex is determined by your biology. The fact that this even needs a court to rule on this shows how absurd it became. Trans women are not legally women, and this should be the end of self-ID, along with the bullying antics of the trans mafia. Just a few weeks ago, an NHS nurse was suspended for saying just this. Common sense has finally prevailed, but how many people have suffered in the process? The women who have campaigned against this madness have rightly been celebrating, none more so than J.K. Rowling. She's received a ton of abuse and death threats, so you can understand her willingness to troll them. Especially trans idiots like India Willoughby. It's tough to comprehend their argument. I'm absolutely a biological woman. No, you are absolutely a biological man, and you better get used to it. Watching right-on liberal hipsters squirm when asked what a woman is was something else.
What is a woman? Can you tell me that? Well, you're at the Women's March. You must have some idea. Please, if one person could tell me what a woman is.
You are not here for women. We ask you to leave.
What is that?
I'm a husband. I'm a father of 4. I host a talk show. I give speeches. I write books. I like to make sense of things.
A woman is not anything in particular.
There is not one particular thing.
It could be many things to many people.
Some women have penises, right? Some men have vaginas.
I like scented candles, and I've watched Sex and the City.
Yeah.
How do I know if I'm a woman?
That's a great question.
Keir Starmer scolded a Labour politician for saying only women have a cervix.
Is it transphobic to say only women have a cervix?
Well, it is something that shouldn't be said.
The attempt to turn a global identification system into a self-ID mess has caused problems throughout society. None more so than sports, where you've got men taking prize money and medals off women and smashing records in the process. I can't see a sense of achievement in this based on what we know about the physical differences involved. Good luck to all the campaigners who stood firm in the face of the gender Taliban, and all of the cowards who stood by and stood up for this radical nonsense should hang their heads in shame.